everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you different type of silk fabrics from which you can make different types of kurtis. So let's get started. This first one is the simple pure silk kurti. This is a very plain kurti and they had given a jacket on top of this. It's a block printed jacket and this is a very nice combination for any party wear look, cause this is a pure silk fabric kurti and it's very much shiny, so you cannot wear it in casual. So try to wear these kind of kurtis in parties. So you can make many kind of variations in this plain silk kurtis, like this one is a boat neck kurti, simple straight cut kurti, and they had just attached a few small mirrors with frames. So you can try this thing also and wear it with any skirt, contrast color skirt or plazos. The next thing is this brocade silk fabric. This is a panel kurti. You can see a collar one, and it's a sleeveless kurti giving a very smart look. And in the middle of this kurti they had used a printed brocade silk fabric, and in the sides of the panel kurti they had used a simple pure silk kurti, pure silk fabric. That is also a printed one, it's not a plain. So you can make these kind of kurtis from your old saris also, like use the middle part from the saris pallu and the side parts with the normal sari. The next kurti is this plain brocade silk fabric kurti. It's a self print brocade fabric and they had used a very nice combination with this white color rayon plazo, and you can make it with a normal cotton fabric also, but that must be a cotton silk fabric. And they had made cold shoulder sleeves with a boat neck, and it's a side slit kurti. You can make more variations by just attaching a simple patchwork in your plain silk kurti, like this one. It's having a simple heart shape patchwork in the neckline, and the rest kurti is plain. This next kurti is also a simple plain silk kurti, but they had attached a mango patchwork here, mango size patchwork, and also given a few fabric buttons in the neckline. You can also add some golden buttons instead, and it's a side slit, front slit kurti. They had used it with skirt, so you can also pair it with any printed skirt, and with plazos also. If you have any flared plazo of printed fabric, so you can try that also. This is again a simple plain A-line kurti. It's also a pure silk kurti, and they had just used a few laces in the top part and a few fabric buttons. That's it. And you can make this kind of kurtis. You can pair this kind of kurtis with your chudidars or leggings. This is again a simple silk kurti, pure silk kurti, and it's also having a lining, and it's used, you can pair it with plazos. It's just a simple plain kurti, but they had given a tassels in the neckline, so it's that's what giving it a nice look. This is a plain silk white color kurti, and they had used with a Banarsi silk dupatta. These kind of dupattas are very much cheap and easily available in online, and I had also made a review video of this dupatta, so you can pair it with the simple white color plazos and A-line kurtis. This is again a good idea to use your short kurti with a skirt. This short kurti is made from a self print brocade fabric. silk fabric, and the rest of the lehenga is made from raw silk fabric. So you can pair this Indo-Western look also. This is again a Punjabi look. This is a short kurti, and they had used with a skirt, and you can also pair it with flared plazos, and wear it with any contrast color dupatta. This one is a simple slit kurti, side slit kurti, and they had used a skirt in the bottom part. But you can make this kind of kurti like you make a double layer kurti. So you can pair it with simple leggings, and if you don't want to use anything like dupatta or leggings, that's okay with this type of kurtis, because it's a double layered kurti, so nothing to worry about. They had just used a few contrast color buttons in the sides, and that's it. And this is a simple plain silk kurti. So these kind of ideas you can try for if you want to wear if you like to wear silk fabric. And for party wears also, these kurtis are very much trending nowadays. So do try these few ideas, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.